Day 565 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 258, add digits. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go in and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. All right, y'all, so that sounds simple enough, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples just to make sure that we're doing this problem correctly. So in example 1, we have our input num equals 38, the output is 2, the explanation says the process is 38, which is 3 plus 8, which gives us 11. Then we do 11, which is 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. Since 2 has only one digit, we return it, and the answer is 2. So just in case that didn't make sense to y'all, I'm going to do another example. It's pretty simple, though, once you understand. Let's just say we have 97, right? We want to add the digits together until we have one digit. Meaning, when I say digits, we mean this 9 and this 7 are two different digits. So then we do 9 plus 7, boom. That's going to give us 16, right? Boom. Then after we do 16, that's going to give us 1 plus 6 because we're just adding this. First we add this 9 and this 7, boom. That gave us 16. Now that we have this 16, we're going to add this 1 plus this 6, right? You see, we're just adding the digits together till we get one digit. And now we have one digit because 1 plus 6, which equals 7. So in that case, if it was 97, the last digit would be 7. So that's all we're doing, just in case you don't understand. And in example 2, it's just if num equals 0, then the answer, the output will be 0 as well. So I hope that makes sense to y'all. And now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution, y'all. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? We got a one-liner. That's right, y'all. We could solve this problem in one line of code. It's actually quite simple. It's just a mathematical solution that we can use, and it goes a little something like this. All we have to do is say return 1 plus, open up the parentheses, num minus 1, and then we're going to say mod 9. Boom, y'all. That's all it is. Since it works because numbers repeat in cycles of 9 when summing digits, and using modulo 9 gives the same result as summing digits repeatedly. The adjustment num minus 1 ensures correct behavior when num is a multiple of 9. So let's give this a run. Let's give it a run. Did we give it a run? My bad, I don't even remember. Let's give it a run. It's accepted. So now let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted. And look at that, y'all. 0 milliseconds beats 100% of users. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see, y'all. So with that being said, I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.